Ever wondered what an app is and how it works? Well, at the most basic level, an app or application is a type of software designed to perform specific tasks or provide certain functionalities for users. These tasks could be anything from productivity and entertainment to communication and so much more. Applications are the building blocks of modern computing, created to operate on a variety of platforms, including computers, smartphones, tablets, and other digital devices. Now, apps can be divided into two main types: desktop applications and mobile applications. But what's the difference, you ask? Well, desktop applications are those designed to run on traditional desktop or laptop computers. Think of your favorite word processor, your go-to spreadsheet program, the web browser you're probably using right now, or perhaps a photo editing software or video player. These are all examples of desktop applications. They're typically rich in features, powerful, and designed to take advantage of the larger screen size and more robust hardware of desktop and laptop computers. On the other hand, we have mobile applications. These are designed specifically for smartphones and tablets. They're typically downloaded and installed from app stores, like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Mobile apps cover a wide range of functions, including social media, navigation, fitness tracking, games, and more. They're designed to be used on the go, with a focus on portability and ease of use on smaller screens. Applications, whether desktop or mobile, are usually user-friendly, sporting graphical user interfaces, or GUIs. These interfaces allow you to interact with the software through buttons, menus, and other visual elements. Some apps may require an internet connection to function properly, while others can operate offline. In recent years, the term app has become more closely associated with mobile applications, thanks to the widespread use of smartphones and tablets. However, it's important to remember that the concept of applications extends beyond mobile devices and encompasses various software programs that fulfill specific purposes on different computing platforms. To sum it all up, applications or apps are software designed to perform specific tasks. They come in two main types: desktop applications designed for traditional computers and mobile applications designed for smartphones and tablets. While the term app is often associated with mobile devices, it's essential to remember that it applies to a broad range of software across various platforms. So next time you launch an app, whether on your computer or smartphone, remember the sophisticated technology and design that went into making it.